Hey everyone, how's it going? It's the Deep Discounts Club here. Today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing video of this levitation globe. These are pretty popular on Amazon. This one runs in at about $29.99. It has 4 stars and they currently have a 10% off coupon. This one's cool because the globe actually rotates inside this little setup here, and it's got some multicolor LED lights to kind of give it a shine, and it'll look good on your desk, especially at night and when it's dark in the rooms, when there's no lights and you can just completely see the LED light color. I like this one specifically, the black and the white globe, but there's also a blue and green globe for a more earthy feel if you'd like that as well. Upon opening it up, we have the instructions right here. It'll just tell you how to start the levitation process, pretty simple. And also the instructions in another language. Here is the AC adapter. Basically, you just plug that thing in and you're ready to go. And it comes with this little device here. I'm sure that's to help position the globe. Here is the globe itself. It's very lightweight. It looks very nice and sleek. As you can see, you basically have the main countries in each of these continents kind of listed out there. And it's not too busy, which I like. It's just a very simple design. Here is the main thing itself. It's got the AC adapter slot right there. And that's where you're gonna see those LED lights. This is also very lightweight. I kind of wish it had a metal finish, but the plastic is very nice as well. It definitely keeps the cost down. So basically just wanna go ahead and set it just like that. And the globe will just basically rotate inside constantly, which is very cool. It's great for a desk setup, especially if you have a minimalist desk or a kind of modern setup. You just want something cool, that'll definitely attract attention. Thanks for watching.